ban pensngu thu pai ba lang ba ka jingpen inuksa halor kumno ban shngain habanya kali haka surok ba National Highway 6 Haribhoi District katanat pulit jong ka Ribhoi hapo ka jinglam khmat u Senior Superintendent of Police u VS Rathor bat u ba Orville Masar u Additional SP menta ka sngi kilapan I da ka jinghikai ha surok ba National Highway 6 ha omsning ban ai ka jinghikai yaki pai ba bat ha ka ju ka por ro yaki nongnya trok baki de ban yai beit na ka liang ka diang jong ka surok lait no ha ka por baki shim pas ban jam sakhman ha ka ne ka jingpen I nuksa ki pulit kilapan I nuksa yaki truck driver batru yaki driver jong ki kalirit bagi hab ban boot ya ki kendon an ban yai ha ka ne ka surok ba khnang ban yada na ki jingjia ki bas ngausi bat ka jingye tungkhu kali habakren shekilat pathai khobor u Senior Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoi District u VS Rathor ulong ba ka ne ka jingpen loy ban pen isndon da ka nuksa yaki driver ban yai ha ki surok ba ka de shibanta ban hikai ba kindup tip na ka no ka banta ka ba ki hab ban yai nang ba ka nomi ka no ka jingye tungkhu kali lane kan wanra ka no ka jingjia ka bas ngausi tang namar ka jingbom tip banyai na ka no ka banta ka ba dei banyai ha surok ba.
We have been very serious about road safety since many months now, and it has started yielding us results, especially the illegal parking of trucks in Barnihat Jorabad stretch has been resolved to a large extent. We don't see any more illegally parked trucks there, except one or two, maybe due to breakdown or temporary for a few minutes they stop. So still we are very serious about it. At the same time, we often see on NH, though the behavior has improved, but still many trucks we see driving on the right lane. So today we started this exercise with the truck drivers to brief them about the traffic rules and how they should drive on national highway. And we conducted a kind of experiment in which we made them to move in left lane first, and then right lane first, and then in a zigzag manner. And some people also came together with us. They were told to overtake the vehicles, and then after the exercise was done, we took the feedback from the truck drivers also and the car drivers also about what they felt, which was more convenient to them. So most of them, even truck drivers, admitted that when they move in left lane, it is more convenient to them because they don't have to give sides to anyone. Everyone passes through the right lane, so they don't have to maneuver the trucks, and it becomes convenient to them also, and it is as per law also. So we'll be uploading the videos for general public view shortly, and it is kind of awareness program because if I give a long speech to these truck drivers, they won't understand anything because of language barriers. Because if we bring 10-20 drivers, some of them will be Hindi speaking, some of them won't understand English, some will not understand Khasi or Garo. So the visual appeal, we believe, is more effective, and that is why we conducted this experiment along with the media personnel and our officers, so that once they see, and then they will themselves realize that driving in left lane is the best uh, option to choose, and the only legal option available to them. So it will save them from unnecessary fines also. We don't want to cause any financial loss, but at the same time, road safety is non-negotiable, and we'll continue to do it.
Ni trok iaid zigzag jinjar na yan. Habis dia baru safety fiskong no sai.
No, kamu sufukin dan zigzag. Suka ban clear gitu.
Habis dia pakai jingat je kan lane pat gini trok dia banyak nak kena lane trok semua.
Isi banyak sekali yang kamu suki.
Iya lembangan ni highway deh. Kadon jing mana don jing mara dalong mapi cross nata.
Kadon ni long. Kamu share na deh speed dah.
Habu share le deh tang bar kumlong ngada kalong hak tu kurkum kadon nem ke jumai ka ipi babot na din.
How you feel it's difficult, lah, when you're driving like a zigzag? Oh, yeah.
Jenjar la ya gitu.
Jar. Hello. Tahi orang nak share na deh speed. Long hab long share mau long active long.
We'll ask you one question on the more.